Our weather's graduating and matriculating and moving on down the aisle because it's changing.
Yes, we're going to graduate from the
With
above
honors.
normal 90s that we've seen for the last 2 weeks.
Humidity with honors.
Yes, and we're going to keep the humidity, but we'll downgrade to rain chances, or maybe upgrade.
That's a passing grade.
Yeah, we need it. Now, after so much rain we may see next week, we probably will want to get out of that and go back to a little bit of sun.
Let's just see. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it.
Absolutely.
Bridge, literally.
Yes, that's true. Well, if you're going to be out this evening for graduation as we honor the class of 2022, congratulations to you. You have made it. But bring the water with you. It's going to be very humid this evening. Temperatures to the 80s and the 70s. There is a very small isolated shower or a brief storm closer to Interstate 30. Otherwise, we're looking at dry conditions. It was a hot day today. In yellow representing a tied record for Tyler and Lufkin this afternoon. 1923 for Tyler. Lufkin's record set back in 1933. Longview's record was 95 today, set back in 1933. And we were just 1 degree away from that. Either way, it has just been a persistent round of heat that we have seen across the East Texas area. A live look from our Tyler Skyview weather camera. 91 the temperature. It feels like, though, just under 100 with that heat index. That's what I want to show you first. It feels like 100 in Hemphill currently. 97 the heat index in Sulphur Springs and in Longview. Athens at a heat index of 97. Feels like 95 in Nacogdoches. And Crockett feels like 99. The air temperatures, though, are staying into the low 90s. There are some upper 80s. So this tells you, despite the wind that we have seen today, and we've had some stronger wind gusts, we're just still remaining very, very humid. And that will be the case until we can get this cold front to pass all the way down to the southeast, which will probably not be until Sunday for us. But that front is going to also trigger the chance for storms heading into tomorrow. The risk for severe weather this evening is mainly off to the northwest. This is the high resolution futurecast model, and it really doesn't show a whole lot. Maybe a very brief shower or two, but that is about it. Morning cloud cover will be with us as we start the day on Saturday, but then we'll start to see sun. The atmosphere destabilizes, and this brings in the risk for some stronger to severe storms, with your main severe threats damaging wind gusts and hail. Heavy rain, though, will accompany most of these thunderstorms as they move in. So if you're planning out your day tomorrow, we got small rain chances in the morning to the early afternoon. After 3 o'clock, storm chances really dramatically ramp up. 60%, 6, 9, and midnight. That's after making it to a temperature around 90. Let me show you Futurecast to confirm that. We get the afternoon sunshine. That helps destabilize things and warm us up. Storms will get started back near the Metroplex and then gradually work their way to the south and to the southeast. Now, by 7 o'clock, this model really keeps most of the storms off to our west and our northwest counties. I think we may see a few more here in East Texas because we're just going to have a lot of instability and available energy to support numerous thunderstorms. 9 o'clock, storms really picking up in the central areas, if not continuing down closer into deep East Texas. Certainly as we get late Saturday evening into Sunday morning, we'll expect more thunderstorms across our southern counties. And notice how the front doesn't completely move down into our southern counties. So you still have some moderate to heavier rain first thing on Sunday. And then we're looking at a few spotty showers Sunday, but we're in the cooler air at this point. That doesn't mean we won't see some storms, though. That's possible on Sunday. Sunday, though, really going to promise to be a cooler day into the afternoon. Getting through Sunday, how much rain we could see based off of what we just showed you. Some areas may pick up 3/4 to maybe 1.5 inches. It really depends on how fast the rain moves or how slow it moves, and that'll determine the overall rainfall totals just from the weekend. More rain Monday night into Tuesday and also into Wednesday. That may add an additional 1 to 3 inches of rain on top of what we get for Saturday and Sunday. So we could be looking at a 2 to 5 inch rainfall total perhaps in portions of our area through next Wednesday. And then we'll dry out and we'll start to warm back up. Similar forecast here in deep East Texas. Storms may take their time tomorrow evening, but they will begin to move in after another hot afternoon. We'll get a break from the rain as we get into Sunday, but more picking up Tuesday and Wednesday.
Marcus, thank you.